Hey everybody, another video here, a quick video. It's not regarding coding or um, enhancements to the site. It's just to reply to up to now several that have actually emailed me multiple times. I mean, after they went through the marketplace about why I haven't replied to them. Okay, and the quick answer is every time you send me a request like this that goes to multiple uh, marketplace members, or it's not a chat, I get charged, and I don't pay for those. Okay, so if you actually want me to reply to you, I recommend the following: either you go to the specific profile here, okay, and it's not hard. Just if you're on the search results page, okay, and you sort by reviews, where the you're gonna find me there somewhere, somewhere. Over there. There we go. Okay. You're gonna find me there. And I think you gotta click here. View profile. It's not request quote per se. Then you click here. For me, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna show this. But if you're logged in here, you create a temp account, you'll be able to see like a chat, like a Facebook chat kind of thing, and that's where I can actually reply to you. That's one. Two, if you just want to contact me via email, which would be much better, my email, I'm gonna put it here. Okay, it's that one. This is one email that I use. The other one is this, 2rsoftware.com, which got created like last week. Here's my personal one. Here's another one that you can contact me by, because I'm a software um, open source user here. So you got this one, you got this one, you got that one. You got multiple ways of contact me. Okay, the main two that I use is these two. Okay, and then you got the Telegram one. If you actually copy this and you run it, you get this thing here. Okay, and you'll be able to chat with me using Telegram, which is a much better alternative than WhatsApp. On these two cases, my email and Telegram, you'll be able to contact me immediately. I can actually reply to you immediately. But if you send me a request for quote kind of thing here, you'll never get a reply from me because they actually charge me for this. So I don't pay them. I don't pay for that type of help, and I don't. For me, I have an ethical issue with it. Okay, and we're trying to connect somebody that needs help with somebody that can give the help, and that's it. So apart from that, you can see the reviews and everything that people say and whatever. But other than that, that's my answer about why I don't respond to them. If you do this one, you'll never get a reply from me. If you do the Telegram one or you email me, you will get a reply uh, the same day, basically. Sometimes in minutes. That's it. So thank you. Sorry for not replying to you, but again, some people don't even put their email when they send the message, or they don't put any additional information that I can research so I can actually send you the message.